Two streaming giants, Max and Paramount Plus. Both pack blockbuster names, but which one really delivers? On the left, Max, famous for big-budget originals and must-see drama. On the right, Paramount Plus, your portal to live sports, CBS favorites, and entertainment for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which service comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Let's lay it all out before we jump in. So here's the game plan. The mind map. We're comparing these two on price, their content library, sports and live TV options, streaming quality and cool features, popularity, yep, subscribers matter, and finally, how the apps and platforms actually feel to use. Ready? Let's roll through each one. Let's kick things off with price. Max is kind of notorious for having one of the priciest standalone premium plans out there. We're talking almost $21 a month, and if you want that sweet 4K or all the streams, you gotta splurge on the highest tier. Sure, Max will try to entice you with some bundle deals, like Disney Plus and Hulu together, or maybe a bit off for annual billing. But it's definitely top shelf when it comes to cost. Now, Paramount Plus. This one's gotta be a relief for your wallet. The base is about $8 a month, premium's not too much higher, and for that, you get Showtime, live CBS, and the ability to download stuff to watch offline. But pause. If you're on their ad-supported tier, offline downloads vanish. So, Paramount Plus keeps things budget-friendly, but you do give up a little in terms of what you can do. So, let's make it official. Paramount Plus easily scores on price. Seriously, unless you're all in for Max Originals, your pocket will thank you. Up next, content library. Max absolutely dominates here, in my opinion. I mean, if you want critically acclaimed originals, Succession, House of the Dragon, The Last of Us, these are almost like a must-watch for any TV lover. Plus, their HBO vault and a massive stack of Warner Brothers movies, it's actually insane. The downside? You'll notice a bit of a sports or live TV gap if you care about that. Now, Paramount Plus brings a different flavor. If you're a sucker for CBS, Nickelodeon, MTV, all those classic TV shows, even BET, you'll find tons here. Add Showtime in the mix with their premium plan, and hey, you even get live NFL games. But here's the thing. Their original scripted stuff just doesn't hit that jaw-dropping scale. Some classic movie holes, too. So, for pure content, Max is winning all day. Sports and live TV fans, this one's for you. Max tries, sort of. They've got the Bleacher Report add-on for some live sports. But let's be real. You have to fork out extra cash, and what you get is still pretty limited. Definitely not the platform for full-on sports coverage. Paramount Plus, on the other hand, just flexes. Live NFL, college games, UEFA soccer, PGA golf, and hey, your local CBS station if you're on the premium tier. No annoying surprise fees either. You just pick your plan and go. One catch? You do need the premium account to get your live CBS local fix. But overall, Paramount Plus is the clear MVP for sports and live TV. Hey, quick fun fact break. Did you know you can stream both The Sopranos and Star Trek? But yep, they're split between these platforms. You kind of need both to get the full classic TV fix. Streaming quality and feature time. Max, especially if you go premium, gives you 4K UHD, Dolby Atmos, the works. Up to 4 devices at once? Easy. Plus, you can download up to 100 titles for offline binging. But, and it's a big but, if you're not splashing out for the top plan, you miss out on that premium stuff. 2 devices on the basic tier, so not ideal for big families. Paramount Plus isn't too shabby, but you'll notice their 4K catalog isn't massive. Just selected stuff gets the upgrade. Downloads? Yep, but again, only on premium. Maximum streams? 3. So, while you definitely get good features, Max just edges it out for the tech and bells and whistles. How popular are these platforms, really? Max definitely takes the global crown. Across HBO and Discovery Plus channels, they're sitting on nearly 117 million subscribers, which is wild. Their reach goes way beyond just the US, though. Yeah, not every show is available everywhere. Paramount Plus is nothing to sneeze at, though. They're sitting at around 77.5 million. Mostly US fans, but strong. The downside? If you travel or have family overseas, Paramount Plus just doesn't stretch as far. So, Max claims this one without breaking a sweat. Last up, app experience and platform support. Max is super consistent. You'll rarely get those annoying crashes or buffering unless there's a huge launch. The interface? Pretty smooth, easy to browse. That said, when new shows drop, sometimes updates lag a bit. Paramount Plus is no slouch either, by the way. Works on pretty much everything from smart TVs, phones, and game consoles. Navigating to sports or live channels is a breeze, which is actually pretty underrated. The small hiccup? Some folks have reported buffering during sports events. So, honestly, it's too close to call. Both apps are solid. Pick whichever matches your device lineup. So looking at the big picture, price goes hard for Paramount Plus. Content and popularity are all Max. Sports and live TV is a Paramount Plus affair, and features plus app stuff are neck and neck. There's clear strengths for each, depending on what you actually care about. If you're all about prestige drama and binge-worthy originals, Max is the easy pick. But if you want the best bang for buck, love sports, or need a big mix of stuff for the family, Paramount Plus has you covered. Honestly, think about what you actually watch, and then choose your adventure. So, which one's calling your name? Max's drama or Paramount Plus and all its variety? Dive into a comparison, make your call, and then start your binge fest. Your remotes